That's why Free Grace or the layman or we, the layman seminary, focusing on discussion of the salvation. Because this is the most important thing to talk about, because many people confused. Many people believe that you need to be baptized in water in order for you to be saved. See, look at that. And many people also believe that you need to do speaking in tongues in order to be saved. Hey, where is Jesus in that area, in that case? If you do believe that baptism is the one is necessary for you to be saved, the baptism of the water. See, if you're going to focus on the water, then where is Jesus in that? So water baptism is not about salvation. It's not necessary for salvation. If you want to be baptized in water, know what is your purpose, why you do baptism, why you want to do the water baptism. Do you want, what is the purpose? You should know what is your purpose if you want to go to water baptism. But you make sure that water baptism is not for salvation. It's not necessary for salvation. And also speaking in tongues. Speaking in tongues is, my goodness, there is nothing in the Bible teaches speaking in tongues. Paul just narratively saying about speaking in tongues, but it doesn't teach that you need to do speaking in tongues. There is nothing in the Bible saying that you need to learn to do speaking in tongues in order for you to be saved.